Let me show you how to make my favorite childhood dessert, Griz, Semolina pudding. First, put 1 liter of milk in the pot. Ova, polako, turn the heat. In separate bowl, 10 flat teaspoons Griz, Semolina. And then 4 tablespoons sugar. 2, 3, 4. You can always add more sugar later. This is gonna be very delicious. When you see the little bubbles, it's time to add this. We add a little bit of water. This makes sure there is no clumps. And add it straight away. Now keep mixing. It's gonna take a few minutes to become thick. Haydi brate. Nearly there. Now when it becomes nice and thick, try some. And if it's not sweet enough, add some more sugar. Move off the heat, get a bowl. Now the best topping for Griz is fresh parsley. Yes, kakav parsley bre! Fuj bre, use the chocolate, mix it, and then it's ready to eat. And that is how you make Griz.